One of the things I do when I start a photo story is I try and find an establishing shot. Today we're going to be going inside المصورة, which is the former Red Prison. If you start off by taking a picture outside, establishing your location, your scene, it might be a good way to start your story. The idea is to try and recreate that same feeling I have now, which is emotional light. You don't want to overexpose it, but you don't want to underexpose it. So we're in one of the courtyards of the المصورة prison, and I've been looking up here, and you'll see the barbed wire and the lines. So I've just been looking around, and one of the things about trying to highlight a situation like this is looking for lines and looking for form to make the picture a little more interesting. So I just found this particular corner here that shows both the prison, the barbed wire, and that lack of freedom. The final tip, just when doing photo stories, we've already done the outside establishing shot, we've done an interior shot. Now we just look at details. We always need details in a short story, so I tend to get close up.